Welcome students on online class for the subject physics. To learn for the standard 11 science, 12 science and above the 12 science students. Today we have to learn the use of logarithmic and mathematical table by solving the numericals. If the numerical is asked like this: solve 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 raised bracket square into 2 square upon 3.142 into 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 multiplied by in bracket 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 power 2 bracket power 2 or bracket square. So if such question is solved, so for solving, so clear the power of 10 like this. So again, if we can solve the above problem, that is 8.85 multiplied by, here the square is there, so we cannot find square, we can write 2 times 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 2 square, that is 4 multiplied by here 10 to the power minus 12 multiplied by here minus 34 and 2, their multiplication will be 10 to the power minus 68 upon 3.142 multiplied by 9.1 multiplied by here 1.6 square, so we can write 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 31 multiplied by 19 and 2, their multiplication will be 10 to the power minus 38. Again we can write as 8.85 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 4 upon 3.142 multiplied by 9.1 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power, here 2 is there, add, so it is minus 70 and 10 is add, it is minus 80 multiplied by 1, that is 39 and 30, that is 69. So here 10 raised to minus 69 when in numerator, so it is 10 raised to plus 69. When we can subtract 69 from minus 18, that will be 8.85 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 4 divided by 3.142 multiplied by 9.1 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 11, because 69 is subtracted from minus 80. So here all the 10 power of 10 can be clear. So only digits are there. Using the logarithm, so we can find out numerator and denominator. Here numerator and we can write out denominator. Numerator has 4 values. Numerator having 4 values, which 8.85, 6.63, 6.63, 4.0. So here characteristics will be 0 point, next 0 point, next 0 point, and for 4 it is 0 point. Multiplication is there, so add. Here in denominator 3.142, its characteristics will be 0 point. 9.1, its characteristics also will be 0 point. 1.6, its characteristics will also 0 point. 1.6, its characteristics is also 0 point. So multiplication is there. For multiplication using rule for log, so addition is there, means log of m multiplied by log of n, that is log of m plus n. So we can find log 88 in 5. So here if we can see 88 in 5, that is 9469. 88 in 5, that is 9469. We can written as 9469. So 66 in 3. In 66 in 3, that is 8215. So 2 times we can written as 8215, 8215, and 4. So here 4 is not seen because our facility will be from 10. So 40 in 0, that is 6021. 6021. So when we add, that is 9 and 1 10, and 5 and 5 10, that is 20. So 2 is 2 4 5 6 6 12 1. So 5 and 4, that is 9. 8 8 16 22 and 31. So here addition of numerator, that is 3.1920. In denominator we can see 31 in 4 and 2 is mean difference. When we see 31 in 4, that is 4969, and 2 is mean difference. So 2 having value 3, 69 and 3, that is 72. So we can written as 4972. If we can see 9.1, that is 91. 91 is 9590, because 91 in 0, that is 9590. If we can see 16, that is 16. 16 in 0, that is 2041. 2041. 2041. When we can add, so here addition is 4, 8, 15, 24, 2, 7 and 16, 1, 5, 9, 9, 9, 18. That is 1.8644. So from numerator, when denominator is subtract, so 3.192 subtracted by 1.8644. What happened? 6 is remaining, 8 is remaining, 2 is remaining, 3 is remaining, and here 1 is there. So if we can find out its antilog, so antilog of 0.32, here antilog of 0.32, that is 2089, but here 8 is there. So antilog of 32, that is 2128, and in 6 mean difference is 3 add, so 2131. So here 2.131 into 10 to the power 1, and here the value is there, that is 10 to the power minus 11. If 1 is subtracted, so here your answer will be 2.131 into 10 to the power minus 10, and that is the answer which can be solved by using logarithmic and mathematical table. So see another example. If the another example second is given to you, you can also solve this example similarly. So here by solving these, all the 10 power can be clear. So 3.142 multiplied by 9.1 multiplied by 1.6 4 times, because fourth power is there. So 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 4 times, here multiplied by 10 to the power minus 31 and multiplied by 10 to the power 9 for the 36, 3 is remaining, and 4 1 the means 19 multiplied by 4, that is minus 76, upon denominator 2 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85. Why? Because cube is there. Multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 2 cube, that is 8, into 10 power. 10 power means minus 12 into 3, that is 10 to the power minus 36 multiplied by minus 34 into 3, that is 10 to the power 12, 1 is remaining, so minus 102. If we can add, so here if we can add, it is 3.142 multiplied by 9.1 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 multiplied by 1.6 divided by 2 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 6.63 into 6.63 into 6.63 into 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 177 and 3 minus 107. Their addition. Here addition will be into 10 to the power minus 138. When minus 138 is shifted in numerator, then it will be 3.142 multiplied by 9.1 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 and divided by 2 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 again multiplied by 6.63 and into 8. So here into 10 to the power minus 107 into 10 to the power plus 138. If 10 to the power 138 can subtract 107, so here answer will be, or the 10 to the power will be 3.142 into 9.1 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6 divided by 2 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 6.6 multiplied by 8.85 3 times 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by 6.63 and multiplied by 8. So here into 10 to the power 38 and 7 is remaining, so it is 31, that is 10 to the power 31. So when we can use logarithmic and antilog, we can find out its answer. So here we see that numerator, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values having characteristic 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiplication is there, so addition. In denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 8. That's when we see logarithm. So here if you use logarithm, that is 3.1, that is 31 in 4, 4969 in 2, 3, so it is 4972. 9.1, that is 91 is 9590. So here 1.6, that is 1.6 is 2041. So 4 times we can written as 2041, 2041, 2041. Here 2 means 20, that is 3010. 88 in 5, 88 in 5, that is 9469. 9469 1 times, 9469 2 times, 9469 3 times. 66 in 3, 66 in 3, that is 8215. 8215 1 times, 8215 2 times, 8215 3 times, and 8 means 80 that is 9031 9031. So when we add that is 999, that is 27, 37, 38 and 43. Its addition will be 43, 3, 4 is remaining. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 22, 28, 29. So here 2 is remaining. 2, 2, 2, 6, 10, 14, 18 and 2, 20. 2 is remaining. 11, 19, 27, 35, 44, 53, 62, 65. That is 6.50. Denominator addition. Numerator addition is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, 25, 32. That is 3. 3, 8, 17. 1, 8, 9, 9, 18, 22. When we can subtract the value of denominator, so it remains 3 is remaining from 12, 3 is remaining, 1 is here and 6 is remaining from 12, 7 is remaining here, minus 7 minus 5 is remaining. Take its antilog. When we take antilog of 0.76 in 3 and 3 is mean difference, 0.76 in 3, that is 5794 and mean difference 998. So it will be 5.798 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power 31. When 5 is subtracting from 31, so its value will be 5.798 into 10 to the power 26. So here we can find out the answer. That answer will be 5.798 into 10 to the power 26. So an assignment is there. This assignment consists of 10 numericals. So we can find the theta if tan theta is given. So answer is there. So first, second, square root of 2 into 6.63 673 into 10 raised to minus 1 11 into 6 into 10 raised to 23 upon 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. Third, 88.77 into 0.5 upon 3.142 in bracket 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 square into 2 into 10 raised to 11. These three. Fourth question will be find out the theta. Cos theta is given. So here answer will be minus cos theta is given. Cos pi minus theta, that is minus cos theta. So cos pi means 180 degree minus theta is given. So we can find out theta. Square root of 3 into 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 upon 1.42. Answer is given. 100 upon 0.5 multiplied by 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 bracket raised to 1 upon 4. Answer is given. So here find mu. If mu equal to sine of 60 degree upon sine of 35 degree 16 minute, then answer is given. So 2 multiplied by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 9 into 10 raised to 9 upon 81 into 10 raised to minus 1. So answer is given. And 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 12 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 125 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 12 into 10 raised to minus 9. Answer is given. And finally, last question will be square root of 2 into 2.95 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Answer is given. If we can solve one by one after one, then you get a perfection in solving the all types of problems, all types of numericals.